respected parents and my dear little friends of Standard 5. Hello to everyone. This is a video for you regarding our session or our coaching, which is supposed to begin from 13th of July. This is for scholarship examination 2021. Fine. This video is to understand the details of what we are going to provide you in this coaching or in our classroom. Before going in details of our class, let us understand some lines about this exam. This particular scholarship exam is conducted by Maharashtra State Council of Examination, and we are going to provide coaching for Standard 5. Actually, this scholarship exam is also for Standard 8, but we are going to coach only Standard 5 students. Okay. Students, one more thing what parents and students need to take care of that is that you have to register yourself for this exam from their respective schools. You cannot register it from our class or privately. You need to talk to your school staff members or school authorities, and you have to register yourself for this scholarship exam. Normally, this exam is in the month of February every year, but this year we don't know when they are going to conduct the exam because of this pandemic COVID-19. So it may get delayed by a couple of months, but we are supposed to start our online e-learning programs and classes from 13th of July. Okay. Some subject details. Basically, scholarship exam, students have to solve two papers, 75 marks each. Okay, so 75 marks and 75, two papers, and each paper has two subjects. So in all, it's written in the slide, you have to learn four subjects: English / Marathi. Now, English is for English medium students, and those who are from semi-English medium, they have Marathi instead of English. Okay, so English 25 marks, Maths 50, then again Marathi / English. So Marathi is for English medium students, the third subject, and English is for English Marathi medium students. Okay, so Marathi / English, the third language, and it is for 25 marks. Then intelligence test, it is again of 50 marks. For semi-English students, it is called as Buddhimatta Chachani. Okay, so these are you don't get into complications, just understand you have to learn, your students have to learn four subjects: English, Maths, Marathi, and intelligence test. Is it clear? Okay, now what's our plan all about? We have planned to begin our e-coaching from 13th of July 2020. Okay, we shall be using tools like videos, presentations, live chatting, PDF material. Basically, it's very sorry to say we cannot conduct physical classes at present because of this COVID-19. So we have to begin with using these tools of e-tools for our class. In the beginning, we shall be conducting 3 sessions a week. I don't want to overload my students, so it will be 3 sessions a week. Okay, and later on we'll increase the session as they get habitual to such video coaching and classes. At present, they are fully burdened with school activities also, so we'll begin smoothly. Fine, 3 sessions a week. Along with that, our class shall be conducting tests of students. Regular tests will be there. The last point is our course fee is rupees 8,500 is our total course fees for this program, which is to be paid in 2 installment, but very clearly it's highlighted over there, you need not to pay the fees now, you have to pay it when demanded, but you need to pay it in 2 installments, and the total amount is 8,500. In this particular course, I will be suggesting certain textbooks some material to you which you need to purchase it from market. A class shall not be providing you any type of printed book. We shall be conducting coaching, we shall be referring to some book, and which is not available in the market, we shall be providing PDF of those papers to you. Okay. Lastly, those who are interested may send your confirmation on my mobile number 9422193395, or you can mail me at swapydixit29@gmail.com. For anyone, for any more details, if somebody wants to talk, you can contact us. But to be very clear, you need to give me confirmation so that we'll add you in our Google Classroom, and we shall be beginning with scholarship actual teaching sessions from Monday, that is 13th of July. So without wasting time, send me your confirmations. Till then, thank you and namaskar.